How to see Valorant store on phone. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to open up your Play Store or App Store if you are on your iOS device. In the search bar, search for Valorant Store. Select the option valking.gg tracker. Tap on the install button and wait until your Valking is completely installed. Tap on Open once your tracker is installed. Firstly, you need to sign in with the Riot ID. Tap on Sign it with Riot ID bubble. You'll be redirected to your login portal. Enter a username or password to sign in, or you can use the alternative method to sign in into your Riot ID. Once you have successfully signed in, you will see an interface something like this. Now in your Valorant store, you can check out for your assets, your store, your statics, your character growth, your character statistics, and more. But did you know that you can also use these points to purchase any of your Valor skins, equipments, and more? So go ahead and check out the Valorant store and make sure to go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to us. Thank you so much for tuning in.